Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Old Money. The one who changes the game wins. On one side, there is Usman, who came from nothing and became very wealthy and successful through bold and decisive moves. On the other side is Nihal, the representative of a family with generational wealth and master of diplomacy. This is the story of the battle between old money and new money, the clash of power and intellect, and falling in love of two strong characters. Number 9. El Turco. El Turco, the highly anticipated period drama starring Turkish superstar Can Yaman, finally has a premiere date, poised to become the first fully English language Turkish production to premiere in over 30 countries. El Turco tells the story of Balaban Aga, a 17th century Ottoman soldier who finds himself stranded far from home after being gravely wounded during the 1683 siege of Vienna. Number 8. Bashka Bir Gun, a Turkish remake of the British series Keeping Faith. The series tells the story of Nihir, a lawyer who takes a break from her career to care for her children. Her seemingly happy marriage with her husband Sardar takes an unexpected turn when Sardar suddenly disappears. Number 7. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jehangir Jihan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the questions: is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? Their shared ideals bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that casts a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 6. Kardi Landler. Hijran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their five children despite countless sacrifices and hardships. While Hijran's boundless love and Arif's unwavering principles held the family together, their children's selfish choices and betrayals led to heartbreak and chaos. A long awaited reunion with their estranged son Onu take a devastation turn, leaving the family shattered by loss and adversity. Arif suffers a heart attack. The families rush to take Arif to the hospital and tragically in a car accident where Onur and his wife lose their life and Arif falls into a coma. Rejected by their in-laws, Hijran is abandoned in a nursing home while Chinar and the children are left to fend for themselves. Hijran, her youngest son Chinar, and her grandchildren must native a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hijran and Araf's resilience and unconditional love became the foundation for their struggle to reunite their fractured family in the face of betrayal and hardship. They strive to prove that no challenge is too great when it comes to the bonds of family. Number 5. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 4. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yabuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising 6 children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming authorities. Number 3. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the story of Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada when his eldest son Jivad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa where the Bohemian Jawad was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jawad's wife and lifestyle. But Jawad's wife became infatuated with the older man and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 2. Se Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shahrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhat. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhat is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shahrazad turns to Buk Bey, a man known for his dark influence, but there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Buke Bey comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Buke Bey's daughter Shireen and his nephew Kubat intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed, and nothing will ever be the same again. Number 1. John Borju. The series follows Mehmet, a successful lawyer, as he strives to reconnect with his estranged daughter Dua following the death of his mother. Along the way, long buried secrets come to light, threatening to upend their lives. The delicate balance of the family is shattered when Jalal's hidden affairs surfaces, creating turmoil. Meanwhile, his wife Handan, unaware of the unraveling around her, fights to keep the family together against all odds. If you like our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. If you like our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. If you like our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.